Hi everyone and welcome to another episode of Elevate Virtuosity Global's video tutorial. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of creating an account, purchasing a book, and completing the checkout process. We hope that this tutorial will make your experience smooth and hassle-free. Let's get started. All you have to do is just go to elevatevirtuosity.com. There you go. And then on the upper right corner, you'll see the join the button. Once you click that, you will go to the creation of an account. Fill out the information that is needed to be filled in. So first name, that is very important. Say Marvin. Date of birth. Next, we have our email. Just type in your email here. And then your mobile number. And then just type in your password, okay? And then retype it to confirm. And then don't forget to click the agree to Elevate Virtuosity terms and conditions. And then once you're done, just have to click submit button. All you have to do is to check your email. Okay? Check your email. There you go. In this case, all you have to do is click on it. Then copy your member ID number. You will be needing this if you are going to log into your account. Copy it, okay, and then click verify your email. Okay, once you're good, go to your account. Okay, you have to click back to log in, and then type in your member ID, and then your password, and then click sign in. You have your own account already. So what you can do now, pwede na kayong mamili ng books na pwede mong bilhin. Then after that, you can buy a package to become an ambassador at EVG. Okay, so for the next part of our video, what I'm going to show you is that paano tayo bumili ng package. In order for you to become a full-fledged ambassador, you just have to buy a package. So once you are here in the Elevate Virtuosity Global Shop, you just have to click on the package button, and makikita nyo dito yung Ambassador Membership Package 999. By the way, we are also offering different packages. So para very easy yung pamimili mo, kung nakita ko yung favorite mo na bundle, you can just click that and then purchase it. So in this case, we will choose this time our Ambassador Membership Package 999. You will do is just click add to cart, and then once you're there, makikita nyo dyan yung subtotal nyo. So if you want to view your cart, you just have to click go to cart. Then ito nga pala pakita ko, meron siyang pre-entered na mga books. These are the books that EVG is offering. If you want to accept this, that's fine, and if not, you can just delete the books that is pre-entered there. So in this case, okay, I will let that book inside my cart. So I'll just click continue shopping. Ayan. So I'll just go to the children's books tabs. Ayan, makikita nyo yung mga different categories of our books. So in this case, I want to click on storybooks. So meron tayo mga books na EVG is offering. So I think I would like to choose this one. And just click add to cart. Okay. Next, click continue. I also want this Filipino book, Batang Matalino, Ang Alamat na Ang Palaya. I'll click add to cart again. So makikita nyo, merong 95 pesos. I like this one pot. I'll click add to cart again. There you go. I already exceeded. It's 1,069. So in that case, okay lang yan, konting exceed ng aking cart. So I think I'm good, I'll just click go to cart. Ayan, cart, ayan. So you just have to review the books that you purchase, and then don't forget to click agree button, and then click checkout if you're good to go. Okay, click checkout. Ayan. So ito na yung information that you need to provide. Fill out the information with Reyes, file number, NCR. Let's say I live in Metro Manila, city of, try natin, or in San Juan, click the barangay, Mission Hills, number 12, sorry, then San Jose. That's the name of the street. Ayan. So zip code is very important, okay? And then click continue. So make sure that the information that we've provided is correct. Just have to click continue button. There you go. It's either you choose pay credit card or QRPH. If you want to pay using your GCash account or Maya account, it's okay. In this case, I think pwede ko i-choose naman yung QRPH and dito yung aking GCash. Click continue, a short reminder before you proceed, and then once you're good, click continue again. Then one final review. Okay? If your information that you provided is correct, and I think that's it. Don't forget to click confirm, and then you will be redirected to QRPH site wherein you just have to scan. Okay? Scan the QR code you need to pay. And then once you're good, scan it and then pay the right amount of that, and then you will be redirected again to the store. So once you are done purchasing your 999 package, you will be notified via email that you are a bona fide, full-fledged ambassador of EVG. And then once you are an ambassador, okay, you will have your own store. Okay, so once you are done paying, you will be redirected back to the store, and then don't forget to check your email. So you will be notified via email that you are already an ambassador because of the purchase, because of your purchase of 999 ambassadors package. Okay, so once you are a full-fledged member of Elevate Virtuosity Global, this is going to be your ABC or the Ambassadors Business Center. Okay, so andito makikita mo ang iyong account. And there you go. So dito mo na siya makikita. Okay, ang iyong personal business center. Yan. Okay, so you can monitor the activities in your account. Okay, so ganun lang kadali, no? So I hope, no, you will be able to follow this video, and then I'll see you. I'll see you too when you are part of EVG, and together, I hope this video helps you a lot, and I hope to see you soon, and together we will have our wonderful journey here at Elevate Virtuosity. So for now, bye everyone, and see you soon.